Say good morning. Say good morning.
Good morning.
And right now,
I want to go home.
nice shoes. Pinawalan ko kasi siya. Kaya nagaganyan siya kasi nila may upo niya. We're here in Brisbane pala guys. So we arrived here in Brisbane. 8 o'clock na kanina, 7 a.m. And mahaba-haba yung aming stopover. Yung layover namin dito. So lumabas kami ng airport. So imbis na diretso kami ng domestic, we're going to the city. Are we going to the city? Oh, no. Mall pala. Suburb mall.
Westfield.
But, yeah. Kasi alas 2 pa yung aming flight. And it's only 8 a.m. Hindi na ako nag-vlog paalis kasi we just relax. And overnight yung aming flight. Much later sa usual flight namin na 7:20 papuntang city. Yung flight namin to Brisbane from Manila was 9:45. So okay lang din kasi tulog lang yung mga bata. Ayun, buong araw buong gabi na tulog yan. Sorry, I just don't want you to sit. Just want you to sit properly. Kawawa naman, may kagat na naman siya sa mukha. Yeah, dito na kami sa taxi nila. When was the last time we're in Brisbane? Huh?
That's a very good question.
Ano pa yata? Parang nung nag-train pa kami sa Subway pa, no? Subway days.
That was 2018.
Yeah, back
We
in
haven't been since. I was here for the conference at Gold Coast.
Yeah, parang nung kami, nag-training kami sa Subway, guys. I mean, ako, last time nandito kami. Are we sure? But then we brought Holly here? No? Yeah, parang wala pa kaming anak. Last time ko punta dito. So, I would live here. If we're gonna move to another state, no, we would move here.
Correct.
Here guys, tinan nyo. Bumalik ng tulog. Oo, kawawa naman. Antok na antok pa siya, si Riker. Antok din yan. We're here na sa mall, you guys. Nagising si ate. Happy naman siya. Nag-order kami ng kape. Dito kami sa food court. Just gonna have breakfast and then walk around. Kasi medyo malamig sa labas, so we didn't really wanna go outdoor mall. Kaya nag-Westfield na lang kami. Nung paggupit pala ako, pinagupit ko ulit yung aking buhok into like wolf cut. Hindi ko na nag-vlog kasi hindi na ako masyado nag-vlog, you guys. Nagpahinga kasi talaga ako. I just did lots of rest, hey? Because before baby boy comes, we're na pala 27 weeks, so 6 months na tayo, guys. 6 months, and we have 3 more months, and we're gonna see baby boy. Hello, baby. Hello, ate. We have another makulit little brother, hey? Good luck kay ate. Good luck kay ate, no? Of course, we're here at Kmart. You guys, what are you getting there, Raika? Mimili na si Madam ng dress. Siya na talaga nakakita ng Kmart. I don't know, what are you gonna pick? Here guys, ang dami yan na pinagkukuha, guys. Nakakaloka. Pinalitan ko kasi yung size. Binalik ko pa kasi siya dito. Isa lang pinili niya eh. Kaso malaki kasi yung 8 pala. So pinalitan ko ng 6. Ngayon, ayan na, naging 4 na tuloy. Magiging 5 pa. Oh my God. Excuse my nails, pero itry natin tong brookie na cookie and cupcake. Nakita ko yun siya sa TikTok eh. We'll go halves, okay? Ayan, we're back to the airport, you guys. Si Riker, ayan. Nagtitingin na ng airplane. Yan, nagutom na ako guys. So, nag-order ako ng ramen sa akin and may gyoza. Naubos ko na. And ano kasi, 11:42 na. Yung mga bata, ayaw pa nilang kumain.
Here we go. Look at
Ngayon lang
this.
si Harley.
You ready? Yeah.
Rika, try it on. Ay, binalik na. Kanina tinry niya eh, yung pilot hat. Oh. Ayan, dito na kami sa gate, guys. Pinag-phone ko na yan si Harley. And itry natin itong brookie na cupcake. Red velvet pala yung kinuha ko. Ayan. Naglalakad-lakad pa si Ben and Riker. Masarap siya. Nagpabili ako ng sparkling water kay Ben. Oh my God. Hindi ka sweet tooth, tapos bigla ka kumakain ng ganito. Masarap siya, hindi siya matamis.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way.
Ayan. Bahay na kami guys. Kararating lang namin and sakto dumating na yung aking grocery. O diba? Very convenient. Nag-order na ako ng stocks. Dalawa lang yung hindi na-deliver. Ayan, si ate. Nagko-coloring lang. Mamaya magbabat yung mga yan. And nag-order lang ako ng Vietnamese fried rice. Ay. So, i-haul ko sa inyo anong maging grocery ko. So, hindi lang na-deliver yung gluten-free bread and isang grapes. I'm gonna have dinner. So, I got coconut water.
Mommy,
Gahates gluten-free snacks. Ito, ako lang ano lang. Sana pumasa tayo. Papasa naman siguro tayo sa ating sugar test tomorrow. So, nag-order ako ng aking guava drink. Yung sparkling, ano yan? Para ano ba yan? Cordial. Yeah, sparkling drink. Guava. And more snacks ni ate. Panlinis ko. Baking soda. And itong mga snacks ni ate. Titam and Arnold. Ay. Nag-order ako ng ham. 100 grams ng deli ham and some minced beef. Laba tayo. Ay, another one. I got 2 strawberries. Maganda naman siya. In fairness. Ay, dala na pala yun. Mandarins. Ay, ano ba yung nilagay ko mandarin?
Oh, I missed this one.
Sandwich ba? Ano pa imperial? Anyway. Cherry tomatoes. Wala silang organic. Baby potatoes. Lemon. 2 cucumbers.
Would you like some toast?
Eh, yeah.
Would
Eh,
you
di pala
like some-
natin yan natapos.
Would you like some toast?
Hey, babe. Hindi pala.
Banana.
2 avocados. Portion. Apples ni ate. Ayan. Walang mini. So, yung Royal Gala yung nabili ko. Royal Gala apple. Mother's Day pala niyan this weekend sa Sunday, no? So, sabi ko kay mother, magluluto na lang ako ng salmon. And carrots, patatas, So, bumili ako nitong Asian coleslaw. So, pair ko yun sa salmon namin. And maluluto siya ng potato gratin. Dito lang kami. Kasi fully book na lahat ng restaurant kasi. Sabi ko, mas madali dito lang tayo sa bahay. Then I got lamb, egg, and ito ang pambaon natin na chicken breast. We got our juice, our green juice, got some chips, favorite kong Red Rock Deli, dalawa, and then itong snacks ng kids, and my favorite sparkling water. So, lalabas ng snacks sa pantry ko ng mga talaga. I got chicken Kiev kasi lalabas ako bukas. So, ito yung dinner nila bukas. So, madali ang luto. Get some chicken drumstick. Some corn. And my broccoli.
Bold and brazen, three-quarter defender their escape. You're going to do getting chased.
Ayan, so I got my gluten-free raisin toast. Wala ngayong wholemeal bread. Then I got some bananas.
Minutes earlier, the trio was captured on 62, stuck in the streets. 7 years later, the shop owner and his wife were asleep.
More snacks ng kids.
And treated like paramedics
Yeah.
at the scene. His shop littered with shaved glass
And then peanut butter. And strawberry jam ni ate. Ayan, snacks.
another convenience store.
Tomato sauce. Ketchup nila yan. And some milk. I think I still have some pero lagi ko na sa pantry. Ayan, that's it for our week grocery. Pero yung gulay and prutas, of course, hindi yan umaabot ng week, guys. Days lang yan. Hey? Mommy ordered some dinner. Ayan, nakababad na yung ating mga gulay at prutas. We'll do the pantry. Yung restock na mga snacks, guys. So we're back. We're back to our routine. Tapos ko na ito iwawash. Kasi wala pa naman tayong grapes. Eh, may mga nauwi akong mga snacks. Kasi hindi na ako nakabili ng gummies. Nag-worry ako baka wala akong gummies sa bumili akong pochi. Isama ko na lang yan kapag sa lunchbox niya ate o snack box niya. And itong Cloud9, ayun. Gusto ni Ben yan. Para kasing sneakers sa atin yan, di ba? Ito naman. And Mamon. Ito ng Mamon. And itong ating hindi siya Shamrock, sorry. Hillside na Otap. So, try natin to kasi wala akong nabiling Shamrock sa what do you call that? Sa grocery. And then, ayan. Ito yung mga pinagabaon ko kanina sa luggage. Yung maliit mini na stick O. Ayan. So, hindi naman nila nakain lahat. So, sama natin yan sa baon ni ate. And snacks nila. Hey! Bukas pala maaga ako gigising kasi meron akong sugar test ng 8:30. So, I have blood test. That's gonna be, I think, 3 hours yun. So, weekend off naman si Ben kasi nga, Mother's Day ng Sunday. So, ayan. And back to school na ang kids sa Monday. Marami tayong appointment this week. Midwife appointment ko rin sa Wednesday. And meeting with teachers. And back to therapy. Ayun guys. And then mag-start na tayo mag-shopping for baby boy. So, ililista ko muna yung mga kailangan ko talaga. Okay? So, Kaya i-stock ko lang itong ating pantry para i-list ko pa yung mga nakalimutan ko bilhin. I'm so tired, you guys. Tapos na ko yung mag-dinner. I'm just gonna put away all the fruits na lang and we'll have a bath and we'll go to bed. It's 7 o'clock. Yeah, Tita Grace gave her a new blanket. Great for winter. Kasi sabi ko, i-unlock niya na yung mga luggage kasi kailangan ko yung nightlight ni Harley. So, ito, binili ni ate to kagabi. Ay, kagabi. Sabi ni So. Binigay niya no last day. Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty kasi favorite ni Harley ngayon eh. Na ate. Si Riker nagdi-dinner pa, nandun siya sa playroom kasi gusto niya manood ng TV. Okay. So, we'll put away our fruits. Pinanlawan ko na yung iba. Meron pa dyan mga gulay. Ayan, restock na ulit ng ating fridge. With lots of fruits, veggies. Yan aming juice. Milk, sauces, bone broth. Drinks sa taas, eggs and ham. And ito yung ulam nga nila bukas. So, nandyan na yan. Yan lang yung laman namin ng fridge namin. Hindi marami, no? Kasi gusto ko inuubos ko kagad. And then, yun. Grocery ulit.